Hi, everybody. I'm Debbie Brown. I'm with Touchstone Crystal by Swarovski, and also a computer addict. So anyway, I love playing on the computer. So there's different things that I always try to figure out so that I can do it by myself. And one of the biggest things that I see often in one of my groups is like, can you share that video with me? Because people do have these fun little memes, these you know, GIFs, whatever they are, or little MP4s that they share, and then people don't know how to save them from Facebook. So I figured that out. Google is how you do it, but I'm here to show you step by step so you don't have to figure it out. So what we have here is this cute little meme. Let's like play her. Like, does she play? Let's see her go. Let's do it. I want to see it go. Okay, so she's this cute little meme, and she's changing and everything. So she's actually a video format, right? Well, you can't, you just can't copy and save it from here. It just isn't going to work. Again, I am working from a computer. I don't know how to do this on a phone. If you know how to do that on a phone, you need to make one of these videos to do it on a phone, because there's some people, they do their whole business on a phone. I'm so impressed. Anyway, we're going to learn how to copy this from Facebook, okay? So what you would do here is you simply click it, and it opens it up to all big. And that's what hopefully most people do so that they can see it. And sometimes there's text that are showing in there. So anyway, so we want this video. Okay, I'm gonna have to back it up, just a minute, back it up, click it again, and pause it, because what it does here is and it will do is lots of times somebody has a video that plays right after it, and then it will copy that next video. It won't copy what you were looking at. So you might have to freeze it if it's small enough, okay? So anyway, I've stopped it. So anyway, up here in the URL, up there in the web page site, is you click this and you see where all this www is. We're going to get rid of that. So I personally just managed to highlight it, and you write M Basic here, simple M Basic, and it's got Facebook, okay? And then I'll go up here, I'll give my little return, and it's going to open it up into a different look, okay? Wait for it. Okay, there we go. So anyway, what we have there then is in the smaller, narrow format, and what that is kind of like what you see on a phone look, okay? So yeah, you can actually work all the way from here. It's kind of weird, but you can do that. So anyway, so this is our little video right here. Now we want it. So now what we do is we click on it again. Double click on it again. And it's going to open it up here again. And the phone's ringing. And it's probably a peddler. Excuse me. So anyway, working from home, right? So anyway, here it is. Now, isn't that cute and pretty? Now it's all by itself. And this is the video. And so now we are going to save this to our computer. This is where we get to save it now. So here now we will, okay, I will right click on it. I right clicked on it, and you have the same save video as. And it saves it here. Now I'm just going to save it to my desktop. You can save it wherever you want. And I'm going to do save video. Okay. And I'm going to save it. I already did this before, so it is saved. Now on my computer, which I have a Mac, it does save all the little folders down here, the new ones. I don't have to have it. I tend to have that. But otherwise, go to the folder where you saved it, and it should be there. Looking really cute. Let's go look at what it looks like so you guys would see it. Look at all my stuff. Oh my gosh, I got stuff. See, it's here, right here. Oh, okay, I got to answer that in a minute. So anyway, yeah, so here it is right here. And so I can click it there and look at it. It's all big. That's not the one. It's not the one, but it doesn't look like this. Here we go. There it is, and it's all pretty, and now it is in my computer and saved for you. So isn't that fun and marvelous? So I will leave my link at the end and my phone number if you have any more questions. But again, you just have a really good day. Thanks for watching, and sparkle on. Bye-bye.